Welcome to the Pix Custom Product Customizer. Let's start by installing the app to your store. You can search for products on the search bar and filter by collections, type or tags. Let's select the products by ticking on the checkboxes and clicking the Select button. You can now configure each of these customizable products. The warning icon lets you know which products have not been configured. Your customers will only be able to customize configured products. Click on the Configure button to configure the images and printable areas of a product. Since our product is a t-shirt, let's choose the Product has two sides option. This allows you to configure the front and back sides of the shirt. Rename the labels to display accurate descriptions. Select the front image from the list of product images. You can then define the printable area for the front side of the product. You can resize the print area and move it around. You can choose different shapes as the print area. This is where the customer will place his design. The customer's uploaded image will fill this shape. Aside from multiple shapes to choose from, you can define your own shape using custom SVG path. Now let's choose the image for the back side of the product. For this one, let's keep the default rectangle shape. The front and back images will be the default for all variants. If you want to override the default images for a variant, you can choose different images for them as well. You do not have to redefine the print area. It will be automatically applied. After setting the images, click on the Save Configuration button to apply the changes. Next step is click Edit Theme on your online store. Click on App Embeds and make sure Pix Custom Cart is turned on. You can change default labels if you wish. Click on the Save button. Now go edit the product detail page by navigating to it. Click on Product Information, Details and Add block. Click Apps and choose Pix Custom. Notice the Pix Custom app block appears on the page. You can drag the app block to the desired position. In this case, we moved it below the variant picker. You can optionally change default labels such as the Upload button and Preview button text. After making your changes, be sure to click on the Save button and exit the theme editor. Now click Settings, click Checkout from the left navigation menu and click the Customize button. Click on Add block under Order Summary. Select Pix Custom Checkout line item. You will now see the Pix Custom Checkout block in the Order Summary. Click on the Save button. Now choose Thank You from the menu drop-down. Perform the same steps as the previous step. Now choose Order Status from the menu drop-down. Perform the same steps as the previous step. Now we are done configuring the Pix Custom Product Customizer app. As a customer, go to the product detail page. Click on the Upload Your Image button. This will bring up the Customize Your Product lightbox. Click the Add Image button and select your file. Choose Contain or Fill to fit the image inside the print area. Black dashed lines mean the image is fully inside the print area. Black and orange dashed lines mean it's partially outside. Enter text on the text area. You can add multiple lines if you wish. Click the Add Text button to display it on the print area. Resize and rotate the text as needed. Choose a font style and effect. Add a background color from the color picker and set its opacity. You can align text as well. Once you are done with the front side, click on the Back tab to upload your second image and start customizing. Once you are done customizing the back side, click the Preview and Add to Cart button. Do a final review of your designs carefully. If everything looks good, tick the I have reviewed and approve my design button, then click on Add to Cart. On the cart page, you can preview the designs by clicking on the preview links on each line item. When you are ready to check out, click the Checkout button. Preview links are still visible here. As the store admin, go to Customer Uploads page. Here you will see all the uploaded custom designs associated to orders. You will see all the preview links for each side along with a download button. You will also find all the print-ready images along with a download button. If your order has more than one line item, a Download All button will be visible on the first row of the order line. Clicking this downloads all preview and print ready images for the order. Click on the order number to navigate to the order detail page. Thank you for watching the Pix Custom Product Customizer tutorial.